Hi, everybody. It's Wednesday, April 29th, day number 42 of lockdown, if my math serves me correctly. That's 6 weeks at home. I'm Henry with the Chamber, stuck here, stationed at home base. I've got some great news for everybody today. I have been very successful in fattening the curve. Yep. What? Flattening. I thought they said fattening. I'm telling you, the buttons on my pants have started socially distancing themselves from one another. Had Whataburger yesterday, and that was the healthy meal for the day. Flattening. Yesterday, the team worked on The Pulse, which is our new interview show premiering this afternoon at 3 o'clock, sponsored by American National Bank and Trust. This will be a live streaming show from the Chamber's Facebook page and also on Texoma Homepage's Facebook page. It will be rebroadcast every Sunday at 5:30 on KJTL Fox 18. And today's guest is Mayor Steven Santayana. So we will be talking about the latest moves at the city and what's going on and what's going to happen next, and some stupid personal observations as well. So it should be a good show. 3 o'clock today. Tune in. Answered lots of calls from you about your business. Calls, texts, Facebook messages, whatever. Keep them coming. If you've got questions, we can help. Let us know what's going on. Spent quite a bit of time with the staff yesterday working on some membership issues. We've still got a lot of you wanting to join or upgrade your membership or take advantage of your benefits. So keep on telling us what's happening. We ended up the night with R&R, Ramsey, and Ross, two of our guilty pleasures, the joy of painting and kitchen nightmares. So let's recap. Monday, the governor said that effective this Friday, retail stores, restaurants, malls, museums, libraries, and theaters can open with guidelines, including not allowing more than 25% of their total occupancy per the fire marshal into their building. If you don't know that number, you can look on your certificate of occupancy or contact the fire marshal. Also, all licensed healthcare professionals can resume operations. No bars or gyms or hair salons yet. That's his phase 2. So the governor said we'll have to see what happens. So if the counts remain low, there's a chance those could open sometime in the middle of May, but not yet. And then the big news for Wichita County is that the governor stated that no municipality could fine its citizens for not wearing masks. He recommended you wear masks, but it is not required. And so as a result, the city and county have rescinded their orders. The city passed an ordinance yesterday basically encouraging citizens to follow the governor's orders. And so that means the masks are not required. The previous requirement of having a written safety plan is not required, although it's a very good idea. And so we're in that limbo stage where the governor has said, Friday, this is going to happen, but it hasn't happened yet. And so you guys just be careful out there. I've seen notes about a couple of stores and a couple of restaurants that already opened. Technically, that's in violation because the governor's order takes effect Friday. So be careful. If you're not sure what's going on, send me a note or email me at henry@wichitafallschamber.com and I will get you the answers. In the meantime, something interesting is happening. I've already seen posts from several local businesses that could open on Friday that are not going to because the 25% cap on occupancy does not allow them to be profitable. In some businesses, you would actually lose money opening up to that cap. And so saw a couple local restaurants that are just going to keep doing curbside takeout and delivery. I think I saw a note about the movie theaters not opening yet. And so a lot of our businesses are still just going to be careful, and that's the best recommendation. So open up slowly. Don't do it yet. Figure out how the rules are going to work. And again, let me know if you need some help. This is the craziest situation most of us have ever been in. So let's just be patient, take our time, and we can work through this together. We are up to 64 confirmed cases in Wichita County now. The Paycheck Protection Program was refunded by the federal government. So apply for it if you haven't. They are not taking new applications yet for the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. So if you were in the queue already, you've got a chance, but they're not taking new applications. Today, we're wrapping up details for the Pulse. Again, that debuts at 3 o'clock this afternoon with my guest, Mayor Steven Santayana. The show is sponsored this week by American National Bank and Trust. Got a leadership call this morning with several community leaders representing city, county, Midwestern State, WFISD, and many other organizations, just so we can all keep tabs on what everybody's up to. And we are continuing to share your stories with them. So keep sending them in. Don't forget to like the Chamber's Facebook page and to visit wichitafallschamber.com/followstrong for all the info on business relief, remote working, and anything else you need. We're still open for business, even if you can't come see us. So don't not call because you think we're not around. We are here working on your behalf. So I'm going to close out with a quote today from probably the best Star Wars movie there's been. I got two, The Empire Strikes Back and Rogue One. This quote is from The Empire Strikes Back. Luke was being a little whiny baby about his training, and he said, well, I'll give it a try. And Yoda said,
no, try not. Do or do not. There is no try.
There's no try. Do something. And even if you're not successful, do it or don't get it done. But if you set out to try, that's not a commitment. That's just saying, like Luke, I'll give it a try. We got a lot to do, and it may not all be successful, but we're going to do it. And then if we don't like the results, we're going to do something else until we get it right. Yoda. I love that guy. All right, that's it for Wednesday. See you at 3 o'clock on the Pulse. Love you guys.